me start the engine, put the key on.
카드를 넣어주세요.
Alright, lights are on as you can see. Let's start the engine now. Engine started, lights are gone, everything looks fine so far. Let's try to accelerate. Listen to the engine sound. RPMs go very fast. Show it from here. Brakes are also still very good. Got the windows control here, mirror control. Check out the windows. This one's working. Let's try the other one. This one is also working perfectly. Try this one. Also works just fine. The last one is also just good. Check out the seats. The seats are in a very good condition as well. Here we go. Let's try the radio on.
제발 좀 편하게 해달라고 기도를 했어요. 그들이 진실한 신앙을 갖게 해달라고 저기 기도를 했어요. 자, 먼저 여러분의 이름도 보내주시기 바랍니다. 잠시 후에 광고 듣고 왔어요?
네?
네. 생각
했어요 안 했습니까? 했어요 안 했어요 할래다? 왜 안 했습니까?
Alright, so the radio works just fine. The speakers are also very clear. Let's try the AC here. Most important thing. Okay. It's cold. Feel the wind. The wind's coming very strong and cold. So the AC works just fine. So the AC also works just fine. We got seat heaters here. Alright, got here these buttons for sound control. A little bit of smoke came out, but just for a few seconds. This one has a little bit of rust here.
Esta es BUSYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo deseen. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210 7353 2398. Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.